Hi, today I'm going to help you make an informed decision by identifying for you the unhealthiest and bad oils for cooking that you need to avoid immediately. The oils you need to avoid when deep frying is the unsaturated ones because they are very unstable and they easily oxidize when heat is applied. So therefore they are unsafe to cook with or apply heat with it. And most of these bad oils are packed with lectins and inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids, which can do a lot of damage to the health, including bloating, weight gain, sore muscles, fatigue, brain fog, and achy joint. Now, there are certain chemical compounds that are created when you heat or fry these unsaturated delicate oils, and the compounds are called ALOEP, that is advanced lipid oxidation end products. These are compounds that have negative effects on your heart, can increase the risk of certain cancers, and they slow down autophagy, which is the recycling of old damaged cells, and they also raise your inflammatory markers in your bloodstream. So they are very harmful when heat is applied, and that's why you need to avoid these oils in your kitchen when you want to cook with it. So I'm going to give you 9 of them you need to avoid in your kitchen when you want to cook or deep fry, and they include soy oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, safflower seed oil, GMO rapeseed oil, peanut oil or groundnut oil. If you have these oils in your kitchen, then I want you to go and take them and get rid of them. Now, just because you may say you are poor doesn't mean you can't eat right, because there is a saying that if you think staying healthy is expensive, try being sick, and that is absolutely true. So you can't have that excuse of not being able to throw them away because they cost you some amount of money, because you need to understand that it is safer than being sorry. Okay, and just a quick reminder, if you don't like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up right now so that this video can reach many people as possible. Now, there are other 2 oils that are worst of them all, and they are canola oil. They are mostly GMOs, and if you have the GMO canola oil in your kitchen, get rid of them immediately. If you have them in your stores and you are selling to people, please do not sell to anybody. If it's GMO canola oil, please get rid of them immediately, because you'll be saving a lot of lives. And so if you keep them after knowing the truth about GMO canola oil and selling them to people, you are not being ugly, and that is not right. Also, if you have margarine in your kitchen and use the margarine to cook, please get rid of them or stop immediately. Margarines are usually trans fat, and trans fat is like poison to the heart. It is bad news for the cardiovascular system. Get rid of them immediately. You will not be wasting money, but you'll be saving lives and also saving money in the long run, which is very important. So these are the 9 unhealthiest oils you need to avoid when deep frying or cooking. If you want to know the healthiest oils to use in your kitchen for cooking or deep frying, I'll put the video right up here. Check it out right now. If you enjoyed this video, please take a second and share with all your loved ones and your social media to help your loved ones to get to know the truth and cook with the healthiest oil and avoid the bad ones when cooking. Hey, always remember that God wants you healthy, your health, your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.